How to make real estate website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. So we need the real estate, just type real estate, and here you can have it. Also you can have real estate law, real estate services, commercial property real estate listings. Next one, what do you want to do with your website? So basically here you need to answer about purpose of your website. For real estate website, maybe you need to promote a physical business, sell services maybe, showcase work, not really sell products, don't know, publish a blog or other media maybe. So here guys, you need to choose whatever you want, whatever you need. Answer by yourself, by your needs. How would you like to start building your website? So guys, here you have two options. You can build your website by browse templates or with AI technology. I'm not a big fan of artificial intelligence, so I prefer to choose from a curated set of professional designed website templates. So I'm gonna choose this one, and here you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you, for your purposes, for your business. Here you can manage some stuff about your website, about type or topic. So just choose whatever you want here. I'm gonna choose this one. I think this looks nice. And Barbosa. Here you can change color presets. For example, now you see the site is like gray and black and white. You can do it like reddish or bluish or bluish pink, whatever. I really like this one, the default one, so I'm gonna start with this design. And while everything loads, I'm gonna tell you guys about squarespace.com. Is the best option in my opinion to create the sites, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, C#, whatever. You just need to use website to create your own website, and it's very easy to do, so I highly recommend you to try this website. Meanwhile, let's continue. We need to create a site name right here. So for example, I have real estate agency, so I'm gonna name it just let's let is my name, by the way, so let's real estate, doesn't matter, just an example. Here's some tips about how to use this website. We don't need it. And here it is. First of all, I recommend you to click pages to check this out, to check the pages you have, to manage them. You can change the order, you can delete some of them. For example, this one, I don't need it, so I can delete it. And for example, guys, check this out. Yeah, here we have photos, about, contact, login, and I can put this not linked page, for example, home, right here. And check this out, it appears here. So you can add new pages here, you can delete them, you can do whatever you want. Next one, styles. Here you can change themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever. Need to reload page. And also, guys, here you can manage some stuff about your website, like set some things, for example, invoicing, products and services, donations, scheduling, content, and this is nice thing right here, analytics. Here you can check the traffic, you can check visits, unique visitors, geography of your visitors, traffic sources, search keywords, bounce rate, page views. Really nice page here to check the data about the success of your website. And to edit your website, you need to click this button right here, edit, and you can edit almost everything now. Also, you can see how our page is divided into several sections. For example, here, header section. Next one is, this is like welcome section, maybe. About section right here, between these blue borders. This is the borders of sections. And you can easily delete this section, for example, I don't know, this one, remove, or this one, testimonials. So also you can add new one here, you can add a blank section, whatever. If you want to edit this specific section, for example, just click this button, add section, edit section, and here you can check design, edit design, background, colors. You can change the placement here, change the size, change this image here, or even delete it. For example, double click on this text and you can delete it and write another one. For example, best agency, I don't know. And of course you can do it bigger and add some stuff. To add some stuff, click on this button, add block, and here you can add content, for example, image. You can do it bigger. You can upload a file from your computer or browse stock image here. For example, I don't know, house search, add image. You can use free images. So in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to trying to explore it yourself. You can see it's very easy to edit everything. The entire interface of the site is very clear to any user. Also, you can toggle to mobile view to check what it will look like in mobile device. can see everything is nice. Also, you need to click this button as frequently as possible just to not lose your progress. And when you're done editing your website, click exit button. And to be able to publish your website so anyone can see it, you need to upgrade your account, subscribe. Here you can select a plan, personal, business, basic or advanced. Just choose whatever you need here. Here you can check the advantages. And I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.